Okay, everyone. Today, this is the first part of my video series on this EasyTether router I'm making out of a Raspberry Pi, which is a type of computer that's about the size of a card deck, and it only costs less than, depends on where you get it from. It's going to be around 30 or below, depending on where you get it. And that black rope thing, see, that's my USB cord that's hooked up to my tablet. Anyway, right now you see that red light on it, red light that's right there. Like just cover my finger with that there. That's the tether light. It tells me if the phone is hooked up to it. I do not have enough jumper wires to monitor both of the what all the LEDs that I'm going to have on my router. There's probably going to be like 3 or 4. I might put Wi-Fi on it, since Wi-Fi doesn't have an LED. Ethernet, I can just leave it out because the Ethernet connected on it has LEDs on it. Anyway, there's a mess on my floor, I know. Anyway, the LED over there will turn off once I unhook the phone from the Raspberry Pi, and turn back on and we hook it back up, letting me know that there's a problem. I just saw it, just disappeared. It's no longer there. Now if I hook it up to my phone again, this is going to be hard. There we go. You can see it's back on again. It does good for that. I think I could use the ping command. What I've been doing to get all these LEDs to light and stuff like that, I've been using bash on it. If you don't know what bash is, you know Linux. It's a type of shell or command line script that Linux uses for handling commands. It's like MS-DOS on Windows command prompt, and it's like batch files, but instead for Windows, it's for Linux. There's a virtual folder in there, a virtual file that you write to that tells it what to do with the GPIO pins on the Raspberry Pi, which GPIO stands for General Purpose Input-Output pins. And that's basically what this thing will do. I'll have to keep you updated with what am I going to do with when it's going to be done. I'm going to take it to the future sometime and I got this here, this wire here that broke. Here, it's one I got from Hamfest not too long ago. It didn't last that long. I took everything out of it, except I couldn't get the tenor connector off of there. I don't know what we'll do about that. I could use something. Probably not. I'm thinking about having panel mount LEDs instead of these ones you see that's on this breadboard right here. There's one on this breadboard right there. That's that's a rectangle LED. I don't know if that'll look very good on my router I'm building. So I'm probably getting some panel mount LEDs. The thing is with these panel mount LEDs is that there's one thing, the voltage difference. It's not 5 volts, it's kind of a little bit higher, like twice, a little bit over twice as much higher voltage it needs. But the thing is, it should be able to work with it. It'll just light up, be dimmer. I remember buying one of them, and then I put it to like something there, like a lot less voltage, like 9 or something like that, and it still lit up. So hopefully it works the same way. Another thing you gotta watch out for is that the Raspberry Pi, as I was reading on it, it draws like you cannot, for each input output pin, you can't short it, it doesn't go across. Well, I'm done with my tablet, so probably it keeps on disconnecting me because I'm talking too much. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you hang on and see for the finished result of this router. Thanks again.